Yes, so I see most people want analysis for gold. I'm going to do analysis for gold. What else do you want me to do analysis for? I'm waiting for more people to come on the live stream when we have about 50 more people on this live stream. We'll wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can put the pairs that you want analysis on. Okay, so we're gonna do gold, we're gonna do USDJPY. If you have any more pairs you want analysis on, you can put that in the comment section before we start the live stream. And if you have any questions, you can also put that in the live stream or in the comment section in the live stream also, and I'll answer the question. Okay, somebody said GBP USD. Keep on adding, guys. Gold, GBP USD. Do you want Bitcoin also? Sami Machaka said IA still. I don't know what that means. I don't know what IA still means. Alright guys, drop the pairs you want, drop the pairs you want, the analysis you want. Like I said, we'll start when we have more than 50 live viewers. We have GBP USD so far, Bitcoin, gold. What other pairs do you want analysis on? Don't drop your signals here. Don't put buy code, don't put sell code. This is not trading view comment section. Don't just come and put random things and say buy, sell without any analysis or any reasons. Alright guys, put your pairs. We're gonna do free analysis and see what's happening for the week or the month or the few days ahead or couple hours ahead. Let's wait till we have more than 50 people here. Then we'll start the live stream. Less than 20 people more. Someone says they want Euro USD. Okay. So we have Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, Bitcoin, USDJPY for our analysis. What else, guys? What else, guys? What else? We need to get to 50 live stream viewers before I start giving this analysis. But before we start, you guys should start dropping in the comment section what pair you want free analysis on. Remember to like the stream. Remember to share if you can. This is free analysis. If you don't ask for a certain pair, another person can ask for another pair. Someone says gbpjpy. Another person says GBP CAD. Okay. GBP CAD, gbpjpy. CAD. What else, guys? We need about 20 more viewers so we can get to 50 live stream viewers for this free analysis, and then we can start the analysis. You said whatever pair I follow, but you need like 5 to 10 points. Yeah, I will mention the pair we're doing analysis on so far. We have GBP USD, Euro USD, gold, Bitcoin, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and GBP CAD. Alright, so If you have any other pair before we start the live stream, like I said, we're going to start the live stream when we have over 50 people on the live stream. And alright, someone says the background music is too loud. Let me reduce that. Yeah, we're going to start the live stream when we have over 50 people on the live stream. So guys, remember to like and stay in the stream, share and subscribe. Now the music is a bit too low. Yeah, I reduced the background music a bit, so it should be much better. Can you guys hear me better now? So let me repeat that again. So let's see, we have GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold, Bitcoin, usdjpy, gbpjpy, and gbp CAD that we're going to do free analysis on for so far. If you have any extra pairs you want me to put analysis on, you can put that in the comment section. Guys, we're waiting till we have over 50 people on the live stream, and then we'll start doing the free analysis. We need 20 more people on the live stream, 20 more people. Remember, you can join my Telegram group. That's where I put announcements for free things that I do. And you can go to the website. And also, if you have any further questions, you can just put that in the comment section. Is anybody in any trade right now? Let me start a quick poll. If you're in a trade right now, tell us what trade you're in and where you're buying, what you're doing, buy, sell, and we'll do the analysis with it and we'll see what happens. Me personally right now, I'm in a Euro USD sell. Okay, I slept off. I should have sold gold, you know. Finally it's moving a bit, but I slept off, yeah. So I'm going to try to find another entry for gold. Yeah. Oh, you're in a gold buy with significant drawdown. Oh, ouch. Maybe I should have done my analysis earlier on, so you would have probably been looking to sell gold. Can you do US 30? No, I do not trade US 30. Trading US 30 is kind of easy though, but I do not trade it. I just don't care about it. All right, guys, let's wait 6 more minutes, and I'll, you know, if we don't get up to 50 viewers in 6 more minutes, then I'll start doing the free analysis in 6 minutes. If you want analysis or signal on any pair, just put that in the comment section. But what I'm going to do is I'm waiting till we have 50 live viewers, or, you know, to start giving the analysis or signal, or I'm just going to wait till like 5 or 6 minutes and then I'll just start doing the analysis and signal before we reach the amount that we need. Someone says, Head Beast says, hi bro, hello. Where are you guys from? Where are you from? And how did you find my YouTube channel? Okay, someone says AUD USD. Andrew says AUD USD, so we'll add that to the list. AUD USD. All right. So where are you guys from and how did you find my YouTube channel? So far on the list of analysis and free signals that we're going to be doing, it's going to be GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold, Bitcoin, usdjpy, gbpjpy, gbp CAD, and AUD USD. Someone says, I'm from Indonesia. How do I know your channel? Yes, how do you know? You don't know how you know my channel. How did you find my channel, basically? And what time is it for you guys? Are you, is this morning for you? Because this is New York session for me, so it's like afternoon. Is it morning, afternoon, or evening where you are? So 60% of the people say they are in a live trade right now. What pair do I think is less volatile to trade? Less volatile. Yeah, something like USD If you are looking for a pair that is less volatile to trade, look at something like USD Yeah. Someone says in Indonesia it's 7:14 p.m. Someone says in Florida it's 7:14 a.m. I started this yeah. All right. XAUSD next position move. Tell me, bro. It's a sell actually. You know, it's a sell, and I'll show it. I'll do the analysis and I'll show you. I just was sleeping, so I wasn't able to join in on the position on the sell on gold. You know, gold has been going up and down recently. It hasn't really had any serious move. So I sold Euro USD. I'll show you the Euro USD after I'm done with the analysis, or maybe when I'm selling Euro USD right now. I'm kind of pissed off I didn't get the gold trade. It was just bad timing. Sammy Machaka says, I'm from South Africa, found you all looking for a mentor online, saving for your course at the moment. Okay. So let's see. We have 1 more minute till I start the analysis and live stream. So far so good. We have GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold, Bitcoin, USDJPY, gbpjpy, GBP CAD, and AUD USD. These are the periods we're going to do analysis on. And oh yeah, I mentioned USDJPY already. Yeah. So like I said, if you have any pairs that you want analysis or signal on before we start, put that in the comment section. If you have any questions so far, put that in the comment section before we start doing our analysis. And all right, let's start with the analysis. First of all, we're starting with USDJPY. Okay. USDJPY is in a long movement right now. Okay. From what I see, let's see, 133.25. So that is 133.25. So far so good. I'm looking at it to continue to go long. I can expect it to go as high as 135.75, which is somewhere around here. So if you're in a Euro USD trade right now, expect it to continue to go long. I do not see any entries so far. I do not see any good entries so far. You can't see what time frame that is. It's 1 hour time frame, but it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, you can see the prices. You can see what prices. You can see where we are right now in the market, and you can see what I'm showing. So I'm saying the market on USDJPY can go as high as 135.75, and it can go as low as 133.25. The main issue right here is around this 133.7 area or 133.6 area, right? This area right here. As long as the price doesn't go below this area, right, we're still safe to go long. Okay, so if the price comes down to around 134 area, okay, if the price comes to around this area, okay, you can look for another buy, right, and then continue to go long. Okay, well, you have to set your exits around, you know, once it starts breaking these lows, you have to set your exits somewhere around here. Anything from around here, I expect it to continue to go short. Okay, so that's it for USD JPY. Okay, now let's move on to what was next on the list. Let's go straight to gold. Okay, let's go straight to gold. Let's go straight to gold. All right, XAU USD. XAU USD. XAU USD, baby. XAU USD, baby. Gold, gold, gold. 1855. Let me see. 1855. Boom. And 1815. Okay. So that'll be around here. My bias is short. Okay, My bias on gold is short, but we have to be cautious of around 1850. Not really 1850, just yeah. All right. I'm expecting the price to go as low as 1815. It's going to keep going hard aggressively. It's going to break these lows. It's going to keep going hard aggressively. I expect it to go down to, so if you're in a gold trade, you can take some profits, or you can keep on going down to 1815. It's going to keep on going down harder. What is my criteria for an entry? On gold, I think I gave that on usdjpy. You can look to enter maybe if the price pulls back around to this 1840 area. Okay, you can look for a sell opportunity to continue to go down. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. It just means if you're looking for an opportunity to go down, you can look for it around here. But once it starts to go above this point, okay, especially this 1850 price, then I expect it to continue to go long. Okay, so we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. But I there's no current entry on gold right now. There was before, but I slept through it, so let's move on to another pair. So if you're in a gold trade right now, you have a lot more profits to take. Let's move on to the next one, which is Euro USD. I actually got in a Euro USD trade. I'll show you guys soon. Where is Euro USD on my list? Euro USD. I can't find Euro USD on my list. Where's Euro USD? Ah, okay. There you are. All right. Euro USD. My bias on Euro USD is short also, obviously, because I'm selling. We can look at 1.06, 1.06, which is down here. It takes discipline. Someone says it takes discipline to stay out of gold trade until it reaches POI. I still am working on that. Not really discipline. If you know exactly what you're doing and you've seen it happen multiple times, it's not going to be hard for you to just do the right thing. You know, it's mostly if you're guessing or gambling or hoping it turns out good that it takes discipline. If you're trying to gamble, of course your hand will be on the trigger finger at all times. Someone says closing my long gold trades. Then it depends. Let's go back to gold because of that comment, just for a short while. It depends because let's look at it. Let's see. Okay, actually, you know, if gold cannot break this point, right, which is around 1825, this low point, right, this 1825, if gold cannot break it, gold may use this point to bounce back down and then go all the way back to 1840 again. before it drops. Okay, so you have to be careful and look at this 1825 point. Maybe it's going to break, maybe it's not going to break. That's going to be the decision maker if it's going to continue to go down short. Okay, so you don't need to rush to close your gold trade. There might still be a pullback, and I might also enter into it. Now let's go back into Euro USD. Just 1 minute. All right, Euro USD 1.0725. So on Euro USD, I entered somewhere around 1.070675, which should be somewhere around here. 675 on my own trade personally. You should look out for this point and this area right here. Okay. If the price goes above 1.07, that's when I expected, like, okay, this price may continue to go long. Not so sure. It may come back here for another re-entry. Okay, the price may come back here for another re-entry and then still drop all the way down. Okay, but my bias on Euro USD is short. Okay, for today, for now, and I'm expecting it to go down as low as 1.06. Okay. Someone says, am I using a software? Yes, I have not an indicator, but like a software that I use. Okay. I made it. It comes with my course. I'll show it right now. I don't use support and resistance. That's nonsense. It's just gambling and guessing. You are not really trading. Nobody knows your support and resistance. Only you and you in your room know about support and resistance. Nobody knows it. Nobody cares about it. It's just being delusional. If you use support and resistance, you are just joking with yourself. Nobody knows it. It's not real. You are talking about the economy of the world, economy of countries, support and resistance. Do you think the president knows about your support and resistance? Headbit says do gold analysis. I just did that, and I even went back and I did it again. Okay, so just rewind the video. But let's look at this Euro USD, because I'm also in a Euro USD trade. Let me share that with you. 1 minute. So this is my Euro USD trade. This is my software. Like, my software shows me the direction of the market. It shows me when and where to buy, when and where to sell, when and where to exit, how much lot size I should use. I know that from my course anyway. Tells me where to hedge, tells me the market trend. Basically does most of the work for me, and I just come in and trade. So I'm in a trade right now. Let's see, I'm up about $4,000. And yeah. So that's the software I use. I made it myself. So it's not an indicator you can find anyway. But let's go back into, if you want to find out more about that, you can just go to the website NFX and Crypto, or just send me a message on social media, or WhatsApp or Telegram. The links are in the description. Yeah, so let's go back to Euro USD. He said, morning, I recently realized that time/price is like real prefer. If you see price break on a lower and retrace, the higher time frame will soon follow in most cases. No, that's wrong, Jeff. You are just noticing things. That's not a rule. It happens, but it's not a rule. It's just coincidence. If the lower time frame can be a downtrend for a while and it will still go long, nobody cares if it was on a downtrend for 2 hours, 3 hours. What they do is they use that as a way to induce you into taking a false trade or wrong trade. If they want to go long, they will make you think that they are going short. So in the smaller time frame, they will be acting like they're going short, and whenever they are ready, they will just go long. It's a trick the market uses on traders. They don't need to do much to make you lose. They just need to they pretend like they're going short for a few hours. Everybody sells. After they're ready, they go long. It's a simple trick the market uses on you. That's why I don't try to beat the market. I just try to follow the market to profit. I look for where the market is going and I join in. I'm not trying to fight the market. That's just madness. It doesn't make any sense. Market wins most of the time. So yeah, that's my bias on Euro USD. Right now we're seeing it because it hit a certain price, but momentum has slowed down in the market. But we'll see how much more further it continues to go. My overall bias as for today is short. Tomorrow I might do another free analysis and we'll pick up from there and see if there's any change in the market and where the markets may continue to go to next. But with that being said, let's move on from Euro USD straight into GBP USD, which is next. So let's check again. How many people are in a live trade right now? Almost 60%. We have almost 40 viewers, 40 votes, and yeah, almost 60% of the people are saying they're in a live trade right now. GBP USD. I usually don't like GBP pairs, they are always too volatile and there's always a lot of manipulation done with them. But with that being said, let's look at GBP USD so far. GBP USD, I feel like I don't feel like anything more is going to happen today. It can just maybe consolidate around 1.21, right? I see a kind of consolidation happening around here. Or we may just see it slowly drop, little by little, slowly drop, just wasting time. That's what I see happening with GBP USD till the end of today. Now for tomorrow, I believe that it's possibly going to continue to go long. Okay, so you need to find an entry somewhere around 1.025, right? Or an entry around, let's see, 1.2 to continue to go long. All right. So one of these positions, if you're thinking about going long on GBP USD, I don't see any trade happening again today. You just have to wait till tomorrow. There's nothing happening on GBP USD. Let's move on to gbpjpy. Same thing for gbpjpy, long. Nothing much happening. I don't expect it to continue to go short. It's long on gbpjpy. All you can do is maybe just consolidate and waste your time. Even if you try to sell it, it's not that guaranteed. It may just spike your stop by tomorrow. So don't gbpjpy is done. If you're not in a long position on gbpjpy, then forget about it. If you're in a long position, take some profits, continue to hold it. I believe it will continue to go long. So let's move gbpjpy and gbp USD from our list and move on to GBP CAD. Something tells me we'll see the same thing on GBP CAD, GBP CAD. Same thing. So let's just move all GBP pairs from our list then. It's long. It's long. So what we have left right now is AUD USD for our free analysis and Bitcoin. If you have any questions so far on any of the pairs I've done or any of the pairs I've not done, you can put that in the comment section before we go into AUD USD. Oh, by the way, I don't think everyone has told me where they are from. Where are you from and how did you find my YouTube channel? Some people said they found it on their homepage. Some people said through searching. What were you searching for? What did you find? My live stream? What video did you find? What time frame do I always use? It depends on what I'm doing. I scalp, and I swing. So it depends on what I'm doing. It depends if I'm scalping. It depends if I'm swing trading. Someone says, may I squeeze in Euro NZD? Okay, I'll add Euro NZD to Euro NZD. Yeah, someone says my channel is all over the place. I'm trying. There's an account that I was scalping on. I uploaded for 2 weeks and I got a bit tired, but starting from maybe even before, I'll try to bring that back for you guys. Even if it's 1 or 2 videos a week, right? Scalping videos. Do you guys want my scalping videos back or you guys don't really care? There was an account I started with 2,500. It's at 13,000 right now. I'll continue the scalping videos and uploading. If you guys want the scalping videos, just put that in the comment section. Someone says yes. I've already spoken about Euro USD. Just rewind the video. Maybe I should do 1 or 2 live stream videos a week, and then 1 or 2 or 3 scalping videos a week. I will do, okay, what I'm going to do is maybe 1 live stream, 1 free live stream every Monday. I'll put the schedule in the community page also, so you guys can see on the Telegram page. And 2 scalping videos a week, or 2 or 3 scalping videos a week. Yeah. If your account is in deep negative, then learn how to hedge. Go to NFX and crypto and join me live and learn how to hedge. Plain and simple. I have a lot of scalping videos on the channel. You can watch those videos also. Even people's accounts that were in 90% drawdown were able to come back. Just 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to put it into my schedule so that I'll give you guys so if I'm doing 1 live stream a week, for example, I'm doing 1 free live stream a week on Mondays. Do you guys want it during London session or New York session? When are you guys going to have much more free time? Let's just do it during New York session, okay? Every Monday, New York session. All right, so, and then we'll have a scalping video some few hours after New York session every week, 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, one scalping video. Now let's get back into the analysis. We have Euro NZD, AUD USD, and Bitcoin left to do free analysis on. Let's get straight into it. With AUD USD, as you can see, it's doing the same thing Euro USD is doing and gold is doing XAU USD. It doesn't mean it's going to be the same all the time. It's just like a coincidence. But let's see what we can fetch out of it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 0.68. 0.68. Oh, 0.69. Yeah, it's still possible to enter. Okay, with AUD USD, if the price comes back to around 0.69, it's still possible for you to enter the trade around there and go all the way down to 0.68. My bias is short on this, right? With AUD USD, it's still possible to find a nice good entry, even if it comes back a little bit, right? And you can set your target at around 0.693, right? You can set your exit at around 0.693, but you can find a good entry to join back into the sell. Okay, yeah, this is a good opportunity on AUD USD that you can take. The time frame depends on what I'm doing. Yeah, so that's it on AUD USD. Not much to say. My bias is short so far. Let's look at Euro NZD, and then we are done. Euro NZD. Oof, UNZD is kind of going crazy, but I would say short also. It's done for the day. I don't expect much to happen on Euro NZD. The person who said we should check Euro NZD, if you're buying, it's a short. Okay, I don't know what you're doing, but the market is looking short. Okay, the market is looking short. The market is looking short. Okay, it may pull back a little bit. Okay, but my expectation is that it's going to continue to drop. Okay, it's kind of consolidating a bit, which is a bad sign, but I expect it to continue to go short. Let's move on straight to Bitcoin because I really want to get to that. And then, yeah, Bitcoin is kind of going long, right? It looks like it's a bear market. Someone says, what do you think about gold? Rewind the video. This live stream has not been up to like 45 minutes, just about 45 minutes. Rewind the video. I spoke about gold twice. I did analysis on it and I even came back to it. So just rewind the video. We're on Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin looks like it's on the bull trend is back, right? But I just think it's just having like, it's settling down from the massive spike down. I don't see it as a full bullish trend right now. I know what the Bitcoin bullish trend is. If it was a bullish trend, a full bullish trend, we won't even be in the position to question if it's a bull trend because it just keep on going high and high and breaking the highs. It's having some issues around 25,000. It's not a full bullish trend. It's just a trend where you can make some little money from, you know. This 25,000 area, if it's able to spike out of it again, then it will be a good sign for the bull trend to continue to go long, right? Then I would say, okay, maybe continue to invest. But look at it right now, okay? At 25,000, we've seen rejection, closed as bearish, another rejection, closed as bearish, another rejection again. Even today, looking bearish. So it's not a full bullish trend. I think it's just being manipulated. It's just being pumped, you know. But I don't expect the price to just fully drop down again. It might consolidate a bit, you know, before the full bull trend comes. It's not back. We're not back in the bull trend fully yet. Okay, you can make some money, okay, but it's not going to be long term. They did a pump here and drew it back down. Did a pump here, so they are just using it to do pumps, right? But the price is stabilizing a bit after every pump. Okay, but it's an artificial bull trend. It's not a real bull trend. If you want to learn about crypto also, you can also send me a message on Telegram and WhatsApp. Someone says, can I have the speaker? The speaker is on the mic is on the loudest. I just increased it to the loudest, but it was almost there. It was like 95% loud. So I don't know, maybe. All right, so over 50 people have voted and we have almost 60 people in a live trade right now. I hope my analysis helped you in your decision. Maybe you're in a trade, maybe you want to enter a trade, maybe you did your own analysis. My analysis doesn't take hours to do. I already have my software that has already given me most of what I need to know, and I just follow it and look for entries. Not trying to fight the market, not trying to beat the market, just trying to follow the markets to profit. Okay, plain and simple. I'm not going to try to fight something that wins majority of the time. But so far so good. I'm still in my Euro USD trade. Let's look at that. There's a slowing down of momentum right now, but we'll continue to see how the market plays out. Let me share that with you guys right now, and then we'll end the live stream. We'll end the live stream in about 5 minutes. So if you have any last questions before I end the live stream, I've spoken about Euro USD. Go back to the video and watch it again. This is my Euro USD trade right now. I'm still in the trade, still watching what is going to happen. And yeah, 3 to 4 more minutes before I end this live stream. If you have any final questions, just put that in the comment section. Someone said gold retracement. I spoke about the possible gold retracement, right? But I don't think it's going to give you a good enough retracement to join in on the sell again, unless there's something like news. Okay, is there going to be news in a couple hours? Is there going to be news in a few hours? Let me check. Okay, there's news in about less than 40 minutes. High news actually with Canadian. So let's see, CPI CAD. Yeah, there's news on Canadian. So if you're looking for a retracement, you can check it out with the news. Just be very careful because it's CPI. It might go past the entry points, but you know that news might be an opportunity to get the entries that I showed you on the analysis. Okay. So Sammy says got in on Euro NZD during London session. Thank you for yeah. A lot of trades happened during London session. I woke up a bit late and missed them. That's true, especially with gold. I'm really annoyed I missed that gold trade. Well, anyway, yeah, you said the analysis is exactly what you anticipated. You closed just at yeah. You can close majority of your trades right now because I think most of the pairs that I did. Some are still going, you know, something like Euro NZD. I say it was like done for the day so far. Yeah, it's good to close your trade at that point with 75 pips. All right, guys, 1 to 2 minutes left. Then I'm ending the stream. This was a nice stream, almost 1 hour. And again, yeah, like I said, if you want the what do you call it, the scalping videos again, you know, you want me to continue to upload the scalping videos, you can put that in the comment section. I'll try to just upload more. I can't promise a video every day, but I'll try my best, you know. But let's see what happens with CPI. Maybe I should just keep the live stream on till we're done with the CPI news. What do you guys think? Should I wait on the live stream and we'll just look at a pair? Let's look at a certain pair. What pair should I look at? Should we look at usdjpy? Let's go. Let's look at, there was a pair that looks, no, not gold. AUD USD, yeah. Yeah, we can look at, what pair should we look at during the CPI? I'm thinking AUD USD. The CPI news is in about, the CPI news, let me see. The CPI news is in about 34 minutes. So what pair should we look at while that goes on? So yeah, I'm gonna stay here for the next 38 more minutes and we'll see how the pairs plays out during CPI news. But for now, what pair should we focus on? I'm looking at AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. Remember, this pullback may actually be a trap by the market because of the news, and it may break all this point and continue to go long. In a situation where AUD USD is going long, let's see how high. We might see AUD USD go as high as 0.695. Okay, even break that point, right? It may go beyond that point. The CPI news, if it goes long, right, you might see the CPI news go up to 0.7. Okay. 6925, yeah. Yeah. But if we're correct on AUD USD, not if we're correct, if the market goes the way that we want, for example, goes to 0.69 or around that area and drops, then that would be a very beautiful trade with very low risk. Okay. So let's just watch and see. Okay, so that's the description of CPI.